And good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another episode of Realty Rides. Today we are going to view a really cool little property here in Langley, Washington on Goss Lake. And today we're taking our 1985 Mercedes-Benz 300E. Why? Because it's old, it's eccentric, it's eclectic, it has a lot of patina on it, and it's the perfect getaway vehicle to take your family away for the weekend to your own private little cabin. So today we'll be profiling and showing a charming lakeside cabin that is a true gem of a property. It's situated on Goss Lake here on Whidbey Island in a town called Langley. Be prepared for magical and serene views of the lake, trees, and the charm of a water property. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with an upstairs loft and a septic for 2 bedrooms. It features a nice spacious wooden outside deck with hot tub and stairs that go down to a private boat slip for your kayak. The charm of this property continues inside with a warm and cozy living room, a nice kitchen, and a main floor bedroom and bath. It is a perfect getaway home for those that want to get away but still be close enough to stores, restaurants, and other facilities. Let's go see it now and be prepared to feel relaxed. Welcome to 4835 Kirkwood Lane here on beautiful Goss Lake on Whidbey Island. What a absolutely magical, wonderful little place to have a cabin, or a home for that matter. Like I've told you guys before, Whidbey Island is full of magical, great places to lease, purchase, and just to live a life of being an islander. And no better place than here on Goss Lake. Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Realty Rides and our third profile house of 2022. This is 4835 Kirkwood Lane here on beautiful Goss Lake, and it's a lakefront cabin, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's really wonderful to see. I can't wait to show it to you guys, so come on in. Upon entering this wonderful little cabin here on Goss Lake at 4835 Kirkwood, here we enter the living room, and it's really cozy and sweet. It's just typical of what you'd expect a cabin to be. And again, great views of the lake all the way around. This is a place, this is a sanctuary. This is a place where you can go here on the weekends, during the winter months when it's snowing here, spend Christmas here, summers here. It is wonderful. Wood burning stove. I feel so at home here already. I'm just so relaxed. Oh man, look at this nice dining room table. And then here you have the kitchen and washer and dryer. So you have kitchen and washer and dryer all in one room, which makes it a little easy. access right to the deck. Barbecuing. Are you thinking like what I'm thinking? Memorial Day weekend, July 4th, Labor Day weekend, summertime, water skiing on this lake. Take your kayak out for an early morning sail with your loved one. Very romantic, really beautiful. Very, very cool. So here down below we have one of the rooms. This is probably the primary room. And it's, you know, it's very cozy. It's got a nice closet. Let's see where you open this thing. There you go. Plenty of room down here for your coats and clothes. And over here you have a bathroom with a shower. I think this place has only one bathroom. And let's go upstairs. And underneath the stairwell, you've got some more space here. Let me just show you the ceiling really fast. It's got that nice paneling above. The whole house smells of cedar and pine. It's got that nice outdoorsy aroma. Really, really nice home. Cute little secondary home. And you can also I think you can Airbnb this location as well. You may want to check with your agent and see if that's a possibility. But yeah, here's the upstairs. Looks like a loft area. It's got 2 beds, 2 double beds. So you can bring your kids or other family members up here. And again, look at this cool view. You wake up, the smell of bacon and eggs in the morning, guys. And that view outside, wow. That is awesome. A nice little closet here. Ample storage room for clothes and your suitcases and such. Very nice. And what I like about it is too, it's light and airy. Some cabins I've seen in the past were kind of dark. This is anything but dark. It's light and airy, and it's just really a welcoming little home. All right. Let's take a little walk down to the dock and take a look at the beautiful little boat dock down below. So just steps from the little dock that you have here, you've got this beautiful, brand new, looks like it's a pretty relatively new deck, and a nice hot tub. And then of course, the view just continues no matter where you are on this cool little property. Anyway, you have another set of little steps going to the main deck. And here you have a wonderful place to sit out, enjoy the life that you so well deserve after getting this cool, wonderful little cabin. Really, really wonderful. So if you guys have a kayak or a little canoe or some other sort of watercraft, like maybe a jet ski of some kind, you can bring it down here, down the steps to your own private little dock, and then sail off. Oh, by the way, nice little fire pit in case you want to have some little toasting some marshmallows in the summertime with the kids and tell ghost stories. And so here is a little step going down to the private dock. Whoops. A little bit careful. There you go. And there's the boat dock. Looks like it's pretty well restored, well made. And again, look at all your neighbors over here. Yep. Cabin life on Whidbey Island. This is definitely something you may want to see. If you're in the market for this, by all means, I will leave you guys the MLS number and the information in the description down below like I always do. And if you have an agent and you want to see it, let them know, and they'll provide a showing time for you. And if you're not represented and you want to see this property, by all means, here's my number. Definitely give me a call. I'm Erwin Schalker with John Scott here in Whidbey Island, and I'm more than glad to show it to you guys. So again, thanks for watching Realty Rights. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of 4835 Kirkwood here on Goss Lake on beautiful Whidbey Island. Have a great day, guys. So I just wanted to add that in addition to the charm and tranquility of the cabin, local amenities are just a few minutes down the road with the Bayview Cash Store Mall featuring a tavern, a bike shop, a donut shop, and a diner. And right down State Route 525 is the Goose Supermarket, a mobile station, and Sebo's hardware store for additional needs. So thanks again for watching Realty Rights. We surely hope you enjoyed this cabin profile. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on the next ride. Have a nice day.